Pepe Coin is back, trending #1 on CoinMarketCap, up 40% on this week. Welcome to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your new host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Pepe. Pepe has been taking the cryptoverse off by storm, and today, we're taking a look at some of the price action and price predictions for this fan favorite cryptocurrency. So to start things off, guys, we can see Pepe up 12% on the day, 40% on the week, and a whopping 500% on the month. The general crypto sentiment right now, guys, is absolutely crazy. As we can see, we're currently 24 days away from the Bitcoin halving. If you haven't seen the last video, guys, we were talking about Bitcoin price predictions and how bullish we are for Bitcoin with the halving, with institutions buying in, with the London Stock Exchange adding Bitcoin. This is going to be absolutely insane. The amount of money that is going to pull into the markets this bull run is going to be nothing like we've seen before. And essentially what that will do for all the meme coins is have so much more money flood into the market, so many more new investors flood into the market, that we are actually very early. So if you're watching this video right now, you're very early. And I want to know what you think about Pepe in the comment section below. Comment if you're bullish or bearish. Let me know right now. Talking about the market, guys, we can see we're seeing green across the boards. Bitcoin's back in the green, up 10%. ETH is back in the green, up 10%. BNB up 15%, Solana up 6%. We're seeing green across the boards, basically recovering from last week, because last week was a bloody week. And we've re-entered extreme greed, guys, on the greed fear index. And we've been dancing around with greed and extreme greed, which is great to see. As long as we don't enter back into fear, guys, we should be pretty good. And I think this bull market, guys, is going to be so different than the last, in the sense that, one, experts are predicting this bull market is going to last much longer than previous bull markets, obviously because of all this institution money that's been adding to the mix. But also, Pepe has never witnessed a Bitcoin halving, so this should reflect a lot in the price versus some of the other meme coins that have been around in the space for a while now. But let's go ahead and take a look at Pepe, guys, because Pepe has been going absolutely crazy. Taking a look at the chart, guys, we can see some solid green candles, as today we had a solid rally up. We did see some sell-off taking place, breaking right at this part over here, again trying to eliminate zeros. Once we reach this peak, guys, we see a sell-off period, which is very common, because remember, guys, there are people who bought into Pepe very early over here, and some investors might tend to exit. However, guys, we are seeing a quick reversal on price. I predict we are going to see some more upwards green candles coming up in the mix, as we've been just seeing. Every time we see some solid red, we do anticipate some solid green as well. As we see just previously, every time it dips hard like that, we see some solid green candles, dips hard, solid green candles. There's a lot more space for this puppy to pump. Now I want to highlight a couple things, guys. So this is what Pepe between the morning. Good morning. Be your own biggest fan. Like, it's so interesting to see. And don't get me wrong, I'm big in the meme world, but it's so interesting to see that this coin that essentially managing over $3.56 billion just post memes on Twitter all day. No technicals, no information about holders, no information about future predictions, nothing. What they want to do instead is they want to post memes all day. It's just, hey, I'm not hating, right? Talking about some utility or some bullish news here. This is good to see that we can see, to kick off the World's Frog Day, this was a couple days ago, Pepe is doing a giveaway with crypto.com. Crypto.com, obviously one of the top tier 1 crypto exchanges. For those in the US looking to use a centralized exchange to avoid fees, Crypto.com is the easiest app and cheapest place to purchase. And we can see here they're doing a $500,000 in PEP giveaway, which is pretty dope to see. And obviously, this is a marketing campaign. This is incentivizing users to buy into PEP. And this is what we've seen across the board for a lot of meme coins, especially when they list with centralized exchanges. They do massive giveaways and money, incentivizing people to buy their coin on said platform. In this case, it's Crypto.com. In other cases, it could be Binance, for example. And what that's essentially doing is it's incentivizing users to purchase Pepe or said meme coin on the platform to, just boost that price, which is good to see. Also, there's a lot of staking going on with Pepe as well, which is great for locking in liquidity to lock in solid floor prices. All right, I want to cover this article as well, because like I was saying earlier in the video, Pepe has never experienced a Bitcoin halving, right? So Pepe Coin Pep post halving price predictions. As the crypto markets experience a surge, meme coins like Pepe have gained significant attention for their remarkable price performance. With impending Bitcoin halving event drawing closer, investors are eager to forecast trajectory of the meme coin's value. The current price is this. Pepe has witnessed an impressive increase of 611% in value over the month, which is at this price. This surge in price attributes to the prevailing bull market sentiment across the crypto sphere, driving meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to noticeable gains, 90 90 to 192% respectively over the month. Guys, talking about top gainer, I want to quickly highlight Dogecoin 20. This meme coin is days away from launching. It's 2 days away from the launch, and they already raised over $10 million. And guys, if you know me, I love my meme coins and I love getting in early. I personally entered Pepe at the bear market. The whole idea is to get into these projects early to make as much money as possible. And talking about getting early, this is a pre-sale puppy that's going live in 2 days. Talking about puppy, it's literally a puppy. And it's already raised over $10 million, guys, and this coin hasn't even launched as well. Also, a special incentive for those who are investing early is you're getting in at a super low pre-sale price. All you need to do is buy Doge 20 tokens at the low pre-sale price. It's a decentralized wallet containing ETH, BNB, or USDC, and basically you're going to 2x your money right off the bat. So if we were to put, for example, if we bought 10 million Doge 20 tokens, which would be worth $2,200, you'd be walking with $4,700, not even counting for this puppy to pump. With over $10 million already raised, guys, and this being 2 days away, this could potentially pump like crazy and make us a solid bag. Obviously not financial advice, but if you do want to check out Doge 20 and buy a bag, I'm going to go ahead and put a link below. Let's go back to the article. So despite its recent success, Pepe presently holds a third position in the meme coin category by market capitalization. This is with a total market cap of $3.4 billion. Overall placement is 41 in the crypto ranking. As for the future price prediction, guys, investors are speculating on the asset's price movement post-halving, with several forecasts emerging regarding its potential value in April 2024. According to Changli, the minimum cost of Pepe in 2024 will be 0.0000110. The maximum might be this price over here, during this month. On average, the analysts predict its value of Pepe could hover around this price over here, which would still see some solid gains. We're looking 200%, 180%, 164%, which is quite possible, guys. Especially with these meme coins, it's hard to predict exactly what could go on. If you enjoy watching this video, guys, I need you to do me a solid. Smash the subscribe button down below. Also, drop your Pepe price prediction in the comment section below as well. What do you think about Pepe? Is the sentiment bullish? Do you think we're going to see this puppy rise to the moon? I'm pretty bullish on Pepe, and I know you guys are too. So let me know how you're feeling in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.